Once upon a sunny morning, an orange tabby cat named Whiskers awoke with a rumble in his tummy. With a sparkle in his eyes, he declared, "Today, I shall cook the most delicious meal ever made." He grabbed his shopping list and trotted off to the bustling village market. He picked the best carrots, tomatoes, and zucchini with great care. At the cheese stand, he stood on tiptoes and meowed, "One chunk of your finest cheddar, please." Back home, he washed his paws, tied on his apron, and straightened his tiny chef's hat. He chopped, diced, and sprinkled secret herbs into his special recipe. He stirred everything together in a big yellow bowl, humming happily. With oven mitts on, he slid the dish in and waited patiently. When the timer dinged, the kitchen filled with the yummiest smell ever. He took a bite and purred. And from that day on, he knew, cook with heart, and always add a dash of joy.